Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see today Leetcode problem. The problem statement is saying that we are given the input as a word which is shown in the LI's screen as output. But here is some twist that LI's may presses the key for a long time resulting in the character being typed multiple times. So it is saying that if Alice was typing AB, by mistakenly she long press at the B and ended up with typing B multiple times, B two times. Or it may be possible that she is typing A, B, B, and when she came to C, she, she long pressed the C button and ended up with typing four times. Or it may be possible she was typing A, B, B, C, and C, but with a long press, she ended up with the four times C. So what we are actually, and also it is said that this is possible for at most once. It means it can be happen with B or it can be happen with the C. So we have to take all of this one. Like we go for a B case or we go for the C cases. If there are multiple D's also, so we go for either B, C or D's. Or if there is E also, we are go for A, B, C and D and E. I hope it is clear what we are doing here. Initially, the count of the initially possible cases are our whole string. It may be possible that she exactly want to typing the whole string which is shown in the output. Or it may be possible that she exactly wants to type B one times but ended up with typing two times. Or it may be possible that she exactly want to type C one times but ended up with four times. Or she exactly wants to type C two times but ended up with four times just because of this problem may press the key for a long times resulting in the character being typed multiple times. So what we do in this problem is we can take a count which is initially 1 which signifies which shows that our given string, it may be possible that this string C exactly want to type. Oh, it's clear, right? Now I will write the code. What I'm doing here, I'm taking int count equal to 1 which shows the our initial string, or then I will loop this string for int I equal to 0, I is less than word dot size and I plus plus. And what I will check here, I will check the possibilities of B first. B here is 2 times. So if I will get word of I is equal to word of I minus 1, in that case I will increase the count by 1 and finally I will return count. Hope it is clear. It's very easy problem. Look what I am saying here. When I increase, initially our count is 1, which is here, which shows the our final string, this one, the word which is shown here. It may be possible. So another is when I go for here, I will say I equal to 1. I will just check my string from here. I will B, is it equal to this? No. It means there are no any consecutive same character. Same, I will go for B and check. So it can be one possible that C was exactly wants to type A one times, B one times, but ended up typing two times. Again, I will go for C. There is no any character which is exactly same as the C. Then I go for the C here, and C is exactly equal to the previous one. So I will increase the count by 1 and so on. I will do the same thing. I hope it is clear and it's easy to understand. Now, let us submit this code. Let us first run whether it is running or not. Hopefully, it should run. Yeah, it is accepted. Now, let us submit it. Yeah, it is submitted 100%. Thank you.